Welcome to Revenue TV's Getting Started. And there's a few things you need to learn. I'm going to try and cover a few things more than just getting started, try and get into playlists and try and get into your pay-per-view as well. We want to give you as much information as we can because I tell you what, there's a lot of people that are calling for just some simple things that are in the manual, and we want to make sure that you can find the things that you need to find. So first of all, go to the site and then log in. So go to the site and then log in. Okay, and the next thing you're going to do is you just put in your password. Okay, so you're back on the system. A lot of times people ask me, well, how do I know I'm logged in? It takes you back to the front page. The way you know you're logged in is the login button has disappeared. And now you see a little silhouette of a head. And the reason that silhouette is there is because there is no image loaded for you. You need to do that yourself and log into your public profile page. And while we're talking about that, let's go to the profile page because that's the thing you need to do to get things rolling here. The profile page is here. See this? It's all empty. Why? Because there's information that you need to do to fix that. So we'll have to go to our account dashboard. Click in here, account dashboard. I go pretty quick, so I'm sure you can rewind or pause. So you come over here, go to your account, go to profile. When you're in profile, what I want you to do is I want you to go over here and update your email is the main thing, and then put your name, your information you need to put there. Then also put whatever you want, whatever information you want to share with us. Share with us. Then another important thing is you need to do these things: Facebook and Twitter. If these things aren't done, then they are not gonna be able to tie to your account. So you need to tie your account to them by going here in your profile and doing that. Main thing is your email address, because if you send me a support ticket, I cannot help you unless you've done it. You can also change your password. So that's the main thing you have to do under there. It also gives you your billing and your usage here. I'll go ahead and cover that real quick. Billing and usage basically shows you everything that needs to be taken care of as far as your gigabytes. If you have no gigabytes left, you have 100 that is allotted to you monthly. If you go over that, you can't broadcast. If you don't have enough storage, you can't broadcast. You got 10 gigabytes, and if you don't have any encodings, you can't encode files when you're uploading them or when you're trying just to encode from after streaming. Easily taken care of by just going here. You can choose which kind of encodings, how many encodings you want. There's no limit. Buy what you want. The more you buy, the cheaper they get. Memory's the same thing. You click there, it takes you to where you could add memory to it, and then over here is what you can add more of your gigabytes as well. So, saying that, let's go ahead and we're going to go over here to getting started. Your channel should have been created for you already. If you haven't, just create a channel. Just hit new channel right here and create a channel. This one already has a channel because it's my account. It's my test channel. So I'm going to click edit. The reason I'm clicking edit is because I want you to come into your channel. I want you to do all this. There's so much information besides the channel name. You need to add a description, and you need to add what kind of category. There's plenty of categories. If it's not there, let us know. We'll add it for you, and you can pick it. There's other things you can add as well. So you can see all these things that you can do. Then you want to make sure you hit save channel, any changes you made, and make sure, remember I told you about the green, make sure it stays green up here, and it shows that it's taken care of. In fact, we're just going to do it just to show you because I mentioned it. See, changes saved. If it doesn't show changes saved, then it's not done properly. Other thing you can do is, especially since you're getting started, is go to your public page. I should have a playlist running right now, and I'm going to delete this playlist in a minute and rebuild it just so you can see how it works. Let's go ahead and pause that for a second. This is where you get your link or your embed code for your webmaster. You're going to come in here, you're going to hit copy. You're going to hit copy, then this will copy your URL so you can if you have a button on your website and you want people to go ahead and to get that website URL so they can link it straight to your player, this is where you can do it. If you have like live streaming button and they click live stream and you want to send them to our site to view the live stream, that's all you have to do. It's very easy. Another thing is you want to have the player, this player right here, you want this player on your website. This is where you get your embed code right here. Real simple. And then you can also adjust the sizes and different things here that you want on it. So, so it's like you can do a lot of things with this. It's up to you how you get it done. But again, this is where you get your URL code, and this is where you get your embed code, and that's how you get that going. So let's go back to the dashboard. And that's for getting started. If you don't update that link on your website, they're not going to get here to see your videos. And wait, let's go back. And the one reason you might want to send them here instead of just put an embed code is because if you go here, it has all the videos. So besides having the player here, your videos will be down here for on demand. So that's kind of important. So I hope you take that into consideration. Let's finish this up and let's go do a playlist. Okay, if we're going to do a playlist, what we're going to do, we're going to come over here and we're going to live playlist. Now I've already created a playlist. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove it. You know what? I'm going to remove it, but also I'm going to delete it. Just because I want to show you how to start one from fresh. So go to playlist, go to live playlist, and it says no live playlist here. You know, basically, you didn't create any playlist. So you're going to go to create playlist right there. And then it takes a second to run. Opens up. Once it opens up, any playlist you make, any video you put in there, if you want it to play in all the devices and everything from Androids to iPads to anything, make sure it has the ME. If it doesn't have this ME right here, then your playlist is not going to work properly. It's going to be muffled. It's not going to start. It'll play here and there. But if you make sure that they all have this ME, and what does the ME stands for? Monster encoder. It means it's been encoded. If you encode each of the videos, then you'll have them here. And as you can tell, if a video is in the playlist, it will be highlighted blue. For instance, remove this one. See, now it's grayed out. Blue means it's in. So as long as it has ME, means it's been through the encoder and it'll play properly in all devices. So we're going to type test playlist, and then you're going to hit save. Remember I told you, wait for the green up top. Oh, this is not green top. This has in the middle. And then you're going to go back to live playlist. And when you're looking at live playlist, you're going to go over here and you are going to go to assign. And then you can choose your channel. And then after that, you're going to come to endless loop. And make sure this is on. If this is not on, then it's not going to play but only one time. Start from publish time, well, pretty simple. It just means it's going to start as soon as you publish it. It may take a few minutes, but it'll play. Now it's green up here. Your playlist and names of the playlist has been successfully assigned. So that's just kind of how you do that. I don't think there's anything else I can show you. Maybe I can show you how to create a pay-per-view real quick, and then we're going to cut this video done. So go to your video library. Pick a video you want to make pay-per-view. Okay. And then click pay-per-view. As you can see, I already did this. So if I hit no and then save settings, it'll automatically tell you this. Okay. So let's go back in here again. I forgot that video was done. Let's go to video files. Pick the same video, I guess. And here's the edited. Remember we showed you encoding and then privacy. You can put a password to it and then pay-per-view. But some of this stuff is self-explanatory, so please read the manual. Click this, yes. Say you want them to make $1 per video. And that means you make 80 cents. The Revenue TV keeps 20 cents because of the admin fee. Then you just hit save settings. And then boom, it's set. So anyone that clicks on the video has to sign up as a viewer, and then they can sign up and watch that video. They can watch it at any time. Anyway, that's pretty much how you do this. I hope all that helps you. We do have great support here. So here's the support. I have a little bit of a knowledge base that I've been creating. And then you can search the manual right here. This is where you can search the manual. And then also you can send me a support ticket down here at the bottom. New support ticket. You send me a support ticket, I will respond, but your email has to be correct in your profile section for that to happen. And then if you want to use the manual, just put playlist. Just for instance, just put playlist, hit search, and it'll open up the manual and show you everywhere that we just did that. See? We just did the same thing. Anyway, I hope this helps you and it becomes a blessing for you. Thank you for being part of Rev Media TV. God bless.